Hi, this is Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, I would like you to join me in prepping my daily grind planner for the week of October 13th through the 19th. And if you're interested to see how I prep for the week, stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. This is my cover that I'm using. It is super lovely. We are going to go to the current week. I am using the older daily grind system. And yes, I have both. I do need to use my older one at some point. I don't want it to go to waste. So I decided to use it this month. And so far, so good. So let's go ahead and decorate this and go from there. So I have different Atom washi tapes that are going to serve us this month, as well as my trusty washi cutter. I am a creator for Daily Grind. I highly recommend them, and they bring your productivity levels seriously, like sky high, next level. And it keeps you accountable because you have to kind of like check this little thing off every day. And if you're checking no every single day throughout the month, you see that you're not working on the things that you have kind of agreed to work on, right? Because you're writing things down, you're saying you're going to work on it. So, yeah, if this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. All of the descriptions and links are down below. And yeah, and if you want to save with my code, it's PLAN. So just like a planner, PLAN. So PLAN. That's all it is. Yeah, it's going to give you 10% off of your purchases. The only thing it doesn't apply to is like mystery boxes and boxes, like otherwise, like bundles, everything works with the discount. So if you do end up using my code, thank you so much. It means the world to me when you guys are supporting me and using my code. But yes, so right now the cover that I have is called Midnight, and I do have a matching mug and a matching tumbler and like whatever came and and a blanket. So whatever came in this print, I love these like I don't even know what to call them, like these vines are something that speaks to me for some reason. I don't know why. And I don't mind spiders. I know a lot of people are scared of spiders. I find them super useful and for the most part not harmful at all. So I try not to kill them. But yeah, I know a lot of people are afraid of spiders. So to me, that cover was just so meant to be. I could not resist. So yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. These washi tapes are just a set that I ended up purchasing on Amazon for the fall, and I'm just using them kind of all over. I do different things in this planner in general. So like each week, each month, I change things up as this is a newer planner for me. So then I need to just figure out like what is going to work. That's all it is. So there's that. And then we're going to go ahead and like add that to the top as well. Yeah, and of course my head like pops in hallway because why not? These washi tapes are, you guys, like not the easiest to work with, to be honest. Like they're very waxy and not stretchy. They're pretty much not like what a washi tape is supposed to feel like. So So no, they're not normal. Okay, so I'm just gonna color this in. I just have markers on my desk that I use all the time for this and for coloring, and I'll just like draw in or like highlight the thing and call it a day. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be actually like pretty enough to keep me pretty focused. Outside of that, I'm good. So I'm gonna go ahead and like put the first date down. Let me know if you guys are interested in videos like this, because I don't know what you really like and you don't like. I use Daily Grind regardless whether I'm going to be showing this to you guys or not. Like I said, it just keeps me accountable and focused, and I love it. So yeah. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay, so that is done. Now I'm gonna do the lower parts. So in the new one, you don't have these, I don't even know what to call them, like those little boxes. Yeah, I guess they're boxes. So in the new one, it's like a section that's just divided by lines. And it's a little different and it has different sections, but this one is the old style one. If you have it, there's nothing wrong with using it, and yeah, because why waste it? I think I have like 2 more full sections of those, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use those. Okay, so I did the rest of the week off of camera. We'll do Sunday together so I can show you what this looks like. And then I will flip through all the pages to show you like what I have done, what I have added, what's not been added, and then we can go from there. But yes. Okay. Okay, so those are highlighted. Now I can decorate a little, and then we can go ahead and work on Monday together. Okay. So I'm just gonna pick some washes and like create a vibe here. I don't know which one. I think I want the red one, like pumpkins and leaves and stuff. I don't know. I just want like a brighter pop of color for Sunday. Okay. So that's done. Now the other side, like once you start working with them, I guess you like start getting a feel for them. But like I said, not as papery as it should be. So I'm gonna use this one, and this one's a true washi tape. It has like the paper feel to it. So, and look how pretty these trees are. That is also from Amazon. It's like a set of fall washes. Okay, so let's go back to Monday so I can show you what this looks like. So this is where we are Monday, Tuesday, and then so on. We're gonna go ahead and fill out the weekly and pre-make Monday so you guys can see what my stuff looks like when I do it. And yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, lots of fun, different things happening this week for me. I am going to the Jack-o'-lantern World event with work. So I am planning this whole thing. And then I have Pilates with puppies. I need to confirm that though, because I know they said hopefully the puppies are going to be okay to come in. So I think I should know by Wednesday. So that was great. Okay, so there's that. And now I'm gonna grab one of those so I can see what my goals are. Because yes, even though like I know what they are, kind of, but I also don't. Like it's one of those things where even though repetition is a thing, at the end of the month I will, but still like the first middle, so not so much. So we have skincare routine, drink 64 ounces, deep breaths. So I have this 5-minute thing where like it lowers your cortisol. Over 7,000 steps a day, which is usually pretty achievable for me. Sometimes I even double it, but yeah. So read 10 pages a day. That's a big one. It like de-stresses me. Like plan for tomorrow. So I do outfits plus I do to-do lists. Then I do this focus thing called Pomodoro, which is also a timer. And it gives you 25 minutes of focus time where you focus on one task. Like it actually turns off all of your notifications on the phone and stuff. And then you do this for 25 minutes and it gives you a break and you can start a new one. So yeah, so far so good. That's where I end up. So I'm gonna put like the top movers for myself like for that day. So obviously no spending is pretty big, especially if you want to have like financial health. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mark off my work time because I work like I've been working 12 hours a day, you guys, just insane. Like I am so burned out. I am truly experiencing like the high, what do they call like high achieving? No, it's something high performing employee burnout. So that's what it is. And then to feel well, I'm gonna eat well. So cook at home. I'm gonna cook for my dog because that makes me always feel good. And I'm gonna work on my plants. So like kind of prune them and just make sure they look good. So yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and schedule my Pilates. Like I said, I just need to confirm that the puppies are going to be there. Otherwise, I can take a different class. This one is in the middle of the day, so it does kind of set me back a little, right? Because you have to like plan everything around it. But other than that, it's pretty good. So my top ones will be no spending, move your body, and hydrate. And then let's see, what's my third one? I forget. Okay, I don't know. So I'm just gonna add all the things I need to do, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow when Monday is over and then fill all of this out. So, like I'm gonna put get work done so I can feel accomplished, like better. So yeah, the tasks are just piling on and I can't help it. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys use Daily Grind. Again, you can use code PLAN for 10% off your purchase. The links are down below, the codes are down below. Thank you so much if you choose to use that code. It helps me quite a bit, and I'm very grateful for you guys. Okay, so let me show you just what last week looked like so you guys can have an idea. So that was the weekly, and then you have like all of the weeks in here, all the dailies. That's where we are. So on Sunday, October 12th, I'll be filling that out, and that's the week that we have created. Thanks for watching. Bye.